Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to put the cowling on the extra. Start by taking pieces of tape and putting them on the fuse and across the tabs. This will help you line up your holes, and it will also help you hold the cowling up there while you're trying to drill your holes. So let me get these on this other side. Okay, now when you got those where you want them, you need to take a pen or something to mark with and figure out where you want your hole to go. Put a mark on it. Mark there. Alright, and once you got those marked, pull the pieces of tape back just a little bit. You want to take your cowling, get it slid on there where it goes. This one fits tight all the way back. Once you got it there, pull your pieces of tape over. That'll help you hold it, and it'll help you get your holes lined up where you want it. Alright, now you need to take just a small drill bit just for the screws. So you'll drill your holes where you want them to go. Okay. Alright, those are all drilled. Now you want to take the tapes back off. Alright, now you got your holes in your wood where you want it. You want to make sure that the screw will go all the way through the cowling and not have to screw into it. So now you'll take a bigger drill bit and you'll make these holes bigger. And I would also recommend taking some thin CA and soaking the wood here where you drilled, so the screws will not strip when you tighten them down. They'll actually tighten down. Put that back in. Take your screws and a screwdriver. And that's how you install the cowling on an extra.